Hey everyone! Welcome back to... I'm so happy to be sharing this time with you as we explore the wonderful potential of even the tiniest spaces. Whether you're in a tiny apartment, a cozy dorm room, or simply trying to make the most of every inch of your home, remember, organization is our greatest ally. Today, I'm delighted to share 5 easy and budget-friendly DIY hacks to help you get organized without spending a fortune. These are projects that spark so much joy, not just in the making, but also in the transformation they bring to your home. So grab your tools and let's begin. Our first project is all about embracing the often overlooked vertical space in our homes. If you don't have enough floor space for a bulky bookshelf or cabinets, don't worry. We can create beautiful, functional storage that almost seems to float with these DIY hanging storage shelves. The beauty of this project lies in its simplicity. Imagine gathering some reclaimed wood planks, perhaps from an old pallet, each plank imbued with its own history and character. Sanding down the rough edges, feeling the wood smooth beneath your fingers. Already you're creating a sense of calm, of intention. Then, choosing the perfect rope, something sturdy and natural, like jute or hemp. As you thread the rope through the pre-drilled holes in the wood, visualize the items these shelves will hold, each one sparking joy when you look at it. Maybe it's a collection of beloved books, their pages whispering stories of far-off lands, or perhaps a display of hand-thrown pottery, each piece holding the energy of the artist who crafted it. Whatever brings you joy, these shelves will become a haven for those treasures. By using reclaimed materials and simple techniques, you're not only creating beautiful storage solutions, but you're also giving new life to old objects, a truly mindful approach to organizing your space. As you hang these shelves, feel the satisfaction of creating something beautiful and functional with your own 2 hands. And when you step back to admire your work, notice how the shelves seem to blend seamlessly into your space, adding a touch of rustic charm and personalized organization. These shelves are more than just storage. They're a reflection of your journey towards a more organized and joyful life. Now let's turn our attention to a space that often gets overlooked, the space under our beds. It's amazing how much potential hides beneath the surface, just waiting to be discovered. With a little creativity, we can transform this often forgotten area into a haven for organization with these DIY underbed storage drawers. Imagine sliding out a beautifully crafted drawer filled with soft, cozy sweaters, each one sparking memories of warm winter days. Or perhaps you've created a dedicated space for your collection of board games, ready to be enjoyed with loved ones on a moment's notice. These drawers are all about maximizing space and creating a sense of order in a place that can easily become cluttered. And the best part is, you can customize them to fit your specific needs and aesthetic. Picture yourself carefully measuring the space under your bed, ensuring a perfect fit for your new storage drawers. Then, selecting the ideal materials: sturdy plywood for the base, smooth gliding casters for effortless movement, and perhaps some beautiful fabric to line the drawers, adding a touch of personal style. As you assemble the drawers, take your time and savor the process. Each cut, each screw, each carefully chosen detail is a step towards creating a more organized and peaceful bedroom. No more rummaging under the bed for lost treasures. Everything has its place, neatly tucked away and easily accessible. These drawers are more than just storage. They're a testament to your commitment to creating a home that supports your well-being. As you decide which items to store in these drawers, ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, give it a place of honor. With each item you release, you're creating space for more joy, more peace, and more of what truly matters in your life. Our next DIY hack takes us to a space that often gets overlooked when it comes to storage: the back of the door. Yes, even those humble doors can become havens for organization with a little ingenuity. Let's transform that overlooked space with a DIY over-the-door organizer, a project that's as practical as it is satisfying to create. Imagine this: you open your pantry door, and instead of being met with a jumble of spices and snacks, you're greeted by a beautifully organized array of jars and containers, each one clearly labeled and easily accessible. Or perhaps it's your bathroom door that gets the organizational treatment, with a custom organizer holding toiletries, hair accessories, and other essentials, all within easy reach. The beauty of this project lies in its versatility. You can customize your over-the-door organizer to fit any door in your home and adapt it to hold a wide range of items. Picture yourself sketching out your ideal organizer, considering the specific items you want to store and the best way to arrange them for maximum efficiency. Then, gathering your materials, a sturdy piece of pegboard or fabric, some hooks, baskets, or shelves, and perhaps a fresh coat of paint to match your decor. As you assemble your organizer, feel the satisfaction of creating something truly unique and functional for your home. And as you hang it on the back of the door, notice how it transforms that once neglected space into a hub of organization. This over-the-door organizer is a testament to your commitment to creating a home that supports your well-being. Our next DIY hack is a true game-changer for small spaces: the pegboard wall organizer. This versatile and customizable storage solution allows you to keep everything off your surfaces and neatly arranged, freeing up valuable counter and floor space. It's a project that sparks joy not only in its functionality, but also in its ability to transform a blank wall into a dynamic and organized focal point. Imagine this. You walk into your craft room, and instead of being met with a chaotic jumble of supplies, you're greeted by a beautifully organized wall. Every paintbrush, every spool of thread, every tool perfectly displayed and easily accessible. Or perhaps it's your kitchen that benefits from the magic of the pegboard, with pots, pans, utensils, and even fresh herbs hanging neatly against a backdrop of colorful tiles. The beauty of the pegboard lies in its adaptability. You can customize it to fit any space and accommodate a wide range of items. Picture yourself carefully measuring your wall, envisioning the perfect layout for your pegboard organizer. Then, selecting the ideal pegboard material, classic white, natural wood, or even a bold pop of color to match your decor. As you install the pegboard, feel a sense of excitement building. This is more than just a storage solution. It's an opportunity to express your creativity and personalize your space. And as you begin to hang your items on the pegboard, notice how each hook, each shelf, each container becomes an opportunity to create a visually appealing display. Suddenly, your belongings are no longer just objects. They're part of a curated collection, each one sparking joy as you look at it. The pegboard wall organizer is a testament to the transformative power of organization. Our final DIY hack is all about maximizing space and functionality with a foldable multi-purpose desk. This ingenious piece of furniture can transform from a compact, wall-mounted shelf into a spacious and functional workspace with just a few simple movements. It's the perfect solution for small apartments, dorm rooms, or any space where every square foot counts. Imagine this. You live in a studio apartment, and while you love the cozy charm, you also crave a dedicated workspace. With a foldable multi-purpose desk, you can have the best of both worlds. Picture yourself starting your day by effortlessly folding down your desk, revealing a spacious surface perfect for working from home, pursuing creative projects, or simply enjoying a cup of tea and a good book. As you settle into your work, notice how the sturdy construction of the desk provides a stable and comfortable surface. The clever design ensures that your laptop, notebooks, and other essentials are all within easy reach, while the compact footprint of the desk when folded allows you to move freely around your space. And when it's time to transition from work to relaxation, simply fold the desk back up, transforming it back into a sleek and unobtrusive wall-mounted shelf. The clutter of your workday disappears, leaving you with a sense of calm and spaciousness. This foldable multi-purpose desk is a testament to the power of thoughtful design and its ability to enhance our daily lives. With a little creativity, we can create homes that support our passions, our productivity, and our overall well-being. And there you have it, 5 super easy DIY hacks to maximize space in small homes. I hope these projects have inspired you to see the potential in every corner of your home and to embrace the joy of creating a space that truly reflects who you are. Remember, these ideas are budget-friendly, renter-friendly, and most importantly, customizable to fit your unique aesthetic and organizational needs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different materials, colors, and configurations to create something that sparks joy and functions beautifully in your space. Which hack was your favorite? I'm eager to hear your thoughts, so please share your comments below. And don't forget to like this video if you found these ideas helpful, subscribe for more creative DIYs, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content.